Next Boko Haram fighters don't start training, oh. And they call them Boko Haram fighters because these ones, I know they see any cops. My people, if you not see training, oh Lord, my God. In fact, this one I never see before. I never see them before. The highest training where I don't see now, where they shout, hey. This one, action. In fact, I never watched action movie like this before. Hey? See how they break bread. Block. They break. They show their talent. According to matter wey reach me, my people, they say na the next military youth wey Tinubu they bring inside. It don't go start from NYSC abeg. For now, we no know wetin dey happen now. Matter don't start oh. So no sleep on top bicycle because join me. Make we watch the video. So wait oh, true this thing now don't happen. Hey Chineke, God help us. Una see what I just see like this. Ha! From NYSC camp now they start the recruitment. This thing is very serious, so make una no look like that. No look like that. See, they don't start. For now we no know. I told una before, Tinubu come out, say they need 50 million youths for this country so that they go join the military force. Nah, this one I just watch, no be movie. Now reality, it just starts now. But we sabi mumu for this Africa. Bros, I dey talk to that third one, that last one way. I don't know whether na rituals they perform. Hunger go soon catch you. You never start. That's the way they do. Maybe they don't promise them big salary. See how they won't kill themselves on top useless. May not be better they think, oh, because the kind energy where they see. No, my people, this one no be natural power. Una dey sure say Bros Tinu never give them that in you understand? Because this one the hyper too much. And I just they smell TM. Nigerians youth can just kill themselves for just small things when they go just promise them. The guy even they give them taekwondo style. They see, I know they like me. I know why they laugh. I mean, I know like the year word. Tomorrow now one of them will come outside. They confess to us. Say, I bet me will help them. Oh. Say they suffer. Oh. Say this or this or. No matter how we shout, finish Nigerian youth. In fact, some of them, they be stubborn goats. They know the year. I first come outside. I tell una say make una no join this thing. Say una go regret am. Abi they don't give una 1,000. Una don't go outside now. This one, that one. We agree. Say men children be the first set of people where go do that training. Una no here. Now una don't go. Now una don't they do this one. Since you people want to do the real show, why don't we do it real show? No, let's do it real. Una don't understand me. Una no notice say the wetin they call it? The bread. And they call it bread because that thing no be block. The block where they use. Una no say it be like bread. It be like something we even need incubator. Una bring carton, una send a block. Use re-block. Since una want retraining, use re-block. Una know they see outsiders how they train. Some of them even they use coconut. Una know how coconut strong. They go use that hit your stomach. Training, hit your head. They go even go inside water. They go give them minutes when they must stay inside that water. Which training Nigerians they do? See the thing. You feel even blow breeze, the thing will break. Now they bring people who wanna say go fight. I beg, I not just understand which people this one will fight. Even me myself, that last one, I dey sure say if I hold am If I hold am sef, you no go fit spell im name again. Na una dey bring say una dey do training. No wonder if these people dey go for one attack like that or one war, no wonder they dey kidnap our people. Straight una no even get. See all the rituals wey this one just perform. I no, that one na rituals. Our politicians, see, our politicians dey use us cruise. Forget am. They don't use us cruise too much. In fact, you don't even pass. Wahala just too much. Wahala just full Nigeria. I don't time. Yeah, where you? I bet that third guy. Now they talk. In fact, now you even make me come outside. Because my question for you first, bros, no verse, oh, no verse. You don't ask yourself how much be una salary before you come outside say you dey kill yourself. You don't ask how much they go pay you. Continue. You go just die for nothing. No be burial. We go bury you. See this face. I go come. I go even chop akara self joy. And I go still bring your matter come outside come talk am. Nonsense. Una go kill una self. People will never even kill themselves for una. Ordinary security they never provide for you. Security service too expensive. Food. Now you come outside. Because of 5,000 naira every month, you dey come outside say you wan kill yourself. Then na wetin concern me? Like people, I say I go bring am so that una go see say Tinubu dey serious. The matter don start. So in case you know anybody wey as una watch those ones, abeg, maybe una fit change their mind. They use them play. I know wetin I dey talk. So abeg help me share this video so that the whole Nigeria, in fact the whole world go know say the matter don start and e dey very very serious before our population go finish kpata. You understand? Share this video. Drop your comments for that comment section. Anything wey you gats talk regarding this case, drop am there, and as usual I go reply una one by one. Don't forget to subscribe. If not, you go dey miss interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.